Hello everyone, Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week's malware and ransomware news, Garmin, a wearable device maker, pulled several of its online services and call centers offline following worldwide outage due to a ransomware attack. After revealing that hackers compromised 130 high-profile accounts, Twitter confirmed that the hackers also accessed the direct message or DM inboxes of 36 accounts. The tax collector's office for Polk County, Florida, disclosed a data breach this past week that exposed around 450,000 residents of the county. The county blamed the malware spotted on an employee computer responsible for this attack. Facebook announced a new app lock feature that adds another layer of security to the user's chats and stops unauthorized people from accessing them. For now, it is available for iPhones and iPads, while the Android version is still under deployment. Stay safe out there and have a great day.